Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to create a Mercari account. So creating a Mercari account is just easy. You'll just have to tap onto the sign up button from Mercari's homepage. So after filling out the email, username and password, you'll be asked to verify your phone number right after. So there is also a question in here if you could create multiple accounts. So Mercari only allow to create one account each. So right after you finish that, you need to verify your phone number, email in here, and your government ID so that you will be verified or your account will be verified. Then you can manage your account in the settings when you have the profile info, shipping address, notification, payment methods, phone number, and follower. And then you could keep your account protected for that so that you should be able to keep your information secure by using a strong password and making sure to never share it. So as you can see, this is Mercari's website, and for you to be able to sign up, there are actually different options to do that. So if you have an invite code or if you are referred, you would just have to click onto have an invite code in here. So if you actually want to start or you're actually creating it yourself, you'll have the option to continue using your Google account, or you could continue using your Facebook or your Apple account. And then right after, if you don't want to use those different social media platforms, just go ahead and type in your email address, add in a display name, and use 3 to 20 characters, add in a password, at least 8 characters, and then agree to Mercari's terms of service and privacy policy, and just simply click on sign up. And that's just basically it onto creating Mercari account. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.